folks? It's Foal here for my second update in one day. This is an unprecedented level of commitment. I'm basically Andrew Hussie at this point. Carcat has been scared out of his mind here, and I'm inclined to join him, because the idea of Gamzee going crazy and killing the shit out of everybody who's left, I suppose, there's not a whole lot left to kill at this point, is pretty terrifying. So let's see what in the world he's going to do with the memo. He's going to talk to Gamzee is what he's going to do. I'm assuming that's Gamzee from the past. Oh no, not the last memo! I am just so heartbroken at that fact. The memos were just... they brightened up my day, and I don't know what I'll do without them. That is a lie. I know exactly what I'm going to do without them. It's party is the thing I'm going to do. Oh, Gamzee is the Bard of Rage. Are you kidding me? This clown, and I mean that literally as well as metaphorically, is the Bard of Rage. He doesn't oh, yes, he does have instruments. He has horns. It's a pretty shitty bardly instrument, though. I'm not even going to talk about rage, because... yeah, I would think that's a joke. What did he do to the Black King? What did he do? Oh god! He did more damage than Friska! Oh my god! The joke is on us. He is out of the pie. I think I'm not supposed to turn my back on them. Oh god, I thought I just heard honk. Oh god, oh god, oh man, oh god. It came from the horn pile. Hey, best friend. Past Gamzee, goddammit, I'm trying to warn people of your murderous future self. Jesus Christ. Still freaking out. There's another little honk. It was so faint that I just imagine it, I might be losing it. What if he's been in there the whole time? Oh god. I am dead gloving serious, okay? I can't do this. It's too much for me. I'm sorry. A magic wand, is that so? Oh, is this his world? I don't think I've ever seen this. Are those angels? They look pretty scary. I mean, I wouldn't blame him for thinking he has to kill him. I mean, until they, you know, didn't drop grist or anything, then he would be a fucking moron. Consider our pact over. We've got a pact? Not anymore! This is nothing if not flattering, but I just think you're coming on a little strong. I am not hitting on you, idiot. This is honest-to-God platonic enmity. I mean, yeah, obviously I knew you weren't serious. You can plainly see I'm from 300 fucking hours in the future, even if I were remotely interested, which is not to say... I simply say, what the fuck? Losing track of time. Like what? What are we even doing here? I'm just so lonely here! Were you hitting on me back then? Are you hitting on me like an actual red solicitation? Is that what this was? I am chewing you out for wand murder, and you are flirting with me. My fucking god, man. Yes, actually, he can outright reject you. Well, there's just so damn many, Car, and they're not getting any less bloody pissed is the thing. Oh, poor Karkat and Kanaya. Karkat and Kanaya might have, like, the only actual friendship in the Trolls. I'm trying to think of anybody else who would really fit. I guess maybe Karkat and Gamzee did. Sort of, but he kind of hated him. I guess it was kind of a begrudging friendship. Basically, Karkat is the best friend. Oh, God! Oh, it's bad, Gamzee! This crazy fucker has completely cracked. I told you. I'm in your future. I know where you motherfucking are. No. Friends? No. No. Who's even left? Equius, Nepeta, Terezi, Karkat, obviously, Gamzee, Aridin, Vriska. And that's it, isn't it? Oh, and Aradia. I think that's it. That's actually most of them still. In fact, only a few have died. In fact, it's only 4 who have died. I have to go. Upsetting discovery. Adios, sweet Toreador man. Tears are in order, probably. You attempt a sniffle. A wobble of the lip, even. Alas, the tears will not come. There is justice to be done. Who could it possibly have been? Well, that was a pretty quick conclusion. Guilty until proven otherwise. A process customarily taking place after the execution. Oh, Alternia. By graciously neglecting to eat you after the trial. Oh, man. Special Stardust. Suspicious stuff. Oh, no, 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 not a honk. Not a honk. And not hope. No. Oh, God. Terezi, don't know what's going on. Oh, God. Professor Pucefoot, Inspector Berrybreath, and Dr. Honeytongue. A pointless chalk outline around the body, as is standard protocol. Dust footprints, oh my god. Quite the slippery one. There are no prints on the victim's face either. This was surely the work of a master criminal. You're only pretending to think there's any chance they're not Vriska's, because otherwise it would be no fun. Farewell, Inspector. No. No, not an. Oh, oh God. Oh, Jesus. No, Honeytongue, are you quite mad? The odds of this self-survival are really quite slim. Oh god, you're not gonna kiss him, are you? Oh no, not smooching. God damn it. Carcat is tenderly holding her corpse to him as he cries tears. And meanwhile, Terezi is trying her hardest not to vomit all over his filthy body. Oh, well, yeah, they're both dead. Tragic. Rufio! That's literally a picture of Rufio. What is this link? Oh no. No! No, Rufio, no! There we go. No! Hold back your tears. Oh, Dante Basco. Never change. God. What are you doing? What is this? Oh god. Speak to me, Rufio. Oh god, what has he done, Rufio? Please tell me it's just Mohawk die. Please just Mohawk die. I wish you had a dad like me too, Rufio. And now I wish you could have been my son. You were so much better than that traitorous piece of shit Cal who betrayed me as your own hook. You taught me so much, Rufio. You taught me to crow. You taught me to fight. You taught me to fly. Please don't teach me to die now. I always believed. No. This is... I am now taking bets on what the contents of the next page will be. Stupid. Why don't we see what John's up to? Is he looking at them fucking making out? Whoa. What could it be? Two squirming cephalopods locked in a mating ritual? You suppose you will never know. A wallet? A wizardly vassal? A note? Oh my god, is this Dad's wallet? You have truly become an adult man, wielded with responsibility and integrity. I am so proud of you. Why did he drop his wallet? What's in the wallet? 1 ton of shaving cream. Oh my god. Such lovely cargo. Yeah! You quickly respond with the blah callback as depicted jostling in the lower right hand corner of the image. But then you keep eating it anyway. Oh no. Polish it! Polish it! Jesus Christ, what an enormous... Is that a car? Did he have a car in there? Oh my god. Good god. Oh, isn't that adorable? The Deadly Depot. Who's this douchebag, is what you ask every time you see his smug face. To beep. Oh, for the love of... Oh god, I don't trust him to drive. Roll eyes. Alright. Guess we go for right. Safety is the most important thing. I would prefer like a 5-point harness, but well, I guess he knows what he's doing. He doesn't even have the keys. Oh, do the windy thing. Whee! We have lift off. What is that in the clouds? Oh, that's Jade's tower, and I guess that's Gamzee watching it again. Lift off. I continued, and there he goes. We have lift off into the sky. Clown. Ha! Oh, that's funny. You see, let me explain the joke to you, for those of you who are unfortunate enough to not get it, you poor, poor souls. You see, the panel is a recreation of the Sweet Bro and Hella Jeff. Here, we have an image of Gamzee in the cloud. And here, the cloud is labeled the clown, which is exactly what Gamzee is. Oh my, yes, how humorous. Are you scoping this bitch's choice ass? This is an excellent question. Always relevant. I'm not sure who the choice ass is going to be in this situation. Maybe it's WV, perhaps, or maybe he's the best friend, Jeremy. Beep, beep, beep. Just keep hitting that horn. Makes you happy. He is like a dude on Butler Island. I mean, like a dude who happens to be one of the butlers, doing a lot of serving. I'm fucking this up. All I'm saying is, why can't I have a Dave Butler too? Oh, you talk to her, John. You talk to her, alright. He is a pretty great guy. Where'd you get the nice guy for? Oh, god damn it. She can see everything. I am surrounded by real-life witches. Everyone I know is turning magic. It's ridiculous. Why don't... Yeah, Jade, why don't you tell him where his dad is? Come on. It was kind of like you were torn from the pages of my favorite Japanese mangas. Girugamesh. That's all that comes to mind. Witches love frogs. She just went off to cry, who cares? Where are you driving? This doesn't seem like the most logical path to particularly anywhere. Oh, a little crazy. Just a little bit. John, you are messing with forces you don't understand here. Your team self is dead, but what if do you have one of those things that Aradia had in like the center of Prospect? Because she didn't have another self to wake up, and she just kind of like had it. I guess that she would need. Maybe it's only like if you're dead before you begin the game. And then they just like, instead of having your dream self be, up and awake or even in your bedroom, it's just kind of like squirreled away in there. Sorry, human. What was it? Nut creatured away. Yeah, that was the verb, I think. Space powers would probably be terribly fucking overpowered. Like, can you just like teleport shit? I mean, teleporting is pretty overpowered if you have good control over it. Obviously, it's good for transportation, but what if you like teleport, this guy 5 feet to the left, but you teleport his brain 5 feet to the left and his body 5 feet to the right? Well, it kind of sucks for you then, doesn't it, buddy? Basically, space is just too OP. Too strong. Too strong. You're going really fast. I guess he's a member of the cult. Oh, and by the way, he has this, like, weapon of omnipotent power. By the way. Don't trust in him. Trust in him that trusts in himself. Oh, you found his dad. They're in a castle, apparently. Both of them. Well, that sure is convenient. They're having a tea party! You can't see them. What if they get married? Oh god, if Rose becomes my sister, that would wreak havoc on the shipping diagram. To your paddle stations. We have a ship to sink armed torpedoes. "13-year-olds. I mean, look, Karkat, he is the expert in romance. I think that it would be unwise for you to disobey him. He gave you a direct order, and he is the leader, as everybody knows, undisputably. You are totally into the Strider anyway. It's all in the diagram, Jade. All in the diagram. Oh no, this is President Karkat. The last time you hear from me will be the first time you hear from me. I mean, this could be the last time from my perspective. Oh god, the honking! Why won't the honking stop? I have to go. He's passing on the mantle of leadership. In somewhat bad taste, given the circumstances. Alright, I think it's a good place to stop. Thank you, and enjoy.